This used to be Dutch money. Now, money here is barely visible. For centuries, the Netherlands trusted paper. Guilders. Coins. Banknotes backed by trade and discipline. Dutch money meant stability. People believed in cash because the system worked. Then something changed. Shops stopped accepting cash. Cards replaced notes. Phones replaced wallets. Convenience won. Not by force, but by comfort. Today, the Netherlands is one of the most cashless countries on Earth. Most payments are digital, tracked, instant. Money still exists, but you rarely touch it. So why did crypto interest rise? Not rebellion. Curiosity. People wanted an alternative. Privacy. Control outside banks. In a world where money became invisible, crypto felt tangible again. The Netherlands didn't reject banks. It tested the edges. Digital money offered trust. Crypto questioned it. The Netherlands didn't lose cash in a crisis. It outgrew it. And when money disappears quietly, the real question is, who do you trust to control what you can't see?